Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing assets and tools so you can work without interruptions. Install the MIUI theme editor and Java JDK, then place icons, wallpapers, and fonts into a clean folder structure. This prevents missing resources later. Once done, open theme. JSON and set ID and metadata. Make sure package names follow MIUI conventions so the theme loads. Create preview images at 9:16 ratio for lock screen and home. Now you're ready to import files into the editor and map resources. Next, you assemble components. Map each icon to its package name and apply an icon mask if needed. This ensures consistent shapes across launchers. Edit colors. XML and styles. XML to define primary, accent, and text contrast so readability remains intact. Customize status bar, notification shade, and quick settings by editing layout references. This changes behavior and appearance. Also optimize images to WebP for size savings. Make sure resolution matches device DPI so visuals stay crisp without bloating the theme file. To finish, export your theme as an MTZ package and sideload it to a test device so you can evaluate real behavior. You should check fonts, widget alignment, and any missing assets in multiple system sections. Enable developer theme preview to catch hidden issues. If something breaks, replace corrupted assets, confirm resource ID and theme. JSON, and clear the theme cache on the device before reapplying. Once it looks right, repackage and sign the MTZ so other users can install it without errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.